Now is the moment we've all been waiting for. We're going to equip items to the character or the player. First of all, I want you to open the man_1 and look at all the items within. As you can see, there's a Mixamo rig hips right here and an unnamed. Now, if you click here, and I'm going to go inside of the scene, so make sure you go in the scene so that you can see what I'm talking about. If you open that, you start seeing rigs, or basically skeleton, the skeleton of the character that is controlling the animation. And inside of this, what I want you to look at is especially the fact that it has a spine. And on the spine, you have also multiple bones that are connected to each other. And inside of that, you have the left shoulder and the right shoulder. You have the neck for the head, and that's obviously the one we're going to use to be able to add the helmet on top of this. But if you want to add the weapon, we want to have it on the right hand. So the right hand is attached to the right shoulder by being a child of it. So as you can see, the right shoulder has the right arm, which has the right forearm, and then the right hand. And here we can see that there is the right hand right here. Okay, so we want to attach the weapon to this. Now, there's a simple way I can just drag and drop the weapon here, and that will be attached. However, that's not the smart way. The reason why I'm saying it's not the smart way, it's because you want to be able to swap items. By swapping items, we mean that we want to be able to change weapons. Let's say you have a sword, you want to be able to have a mace, or to have a dagger, or any other type of weapons, right? And in order to be able to do that, we need to be able to swap. So let's create the technology to do that. Inside of the right hand, I'm going to add what we call a hook. And let's do this in the very next lecture.